What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Another meetup, another late start to the vlog. This one should be better. I'm gonna make sure to get some solid footage while I'm there. Jessica's gonna help me out filming a bit. I'm speaking at this one, so that should be cool. I'm gonna try to get the whole thing from the guys putting on this event, and maybe I can put that onto my channel, or if not, I know it's gonna be up at some point just to see the whole thing wherever they are posting it. So make sure you're just following me in the Facebook group or wherever, and I'm sure you'll see that, whether it's my channel or wherever. Should be good. We're gonna be talking about everything from my story starting out, how I got to where I am, how to pick a niche, and how to build it up into a $1 million brand, Q&A, meet up with people. So overall, should be a really good one. Since I haven't done that much public speaking, I still get a little nervous for these things. I think it's not that nervous, it's just more that I wanna really make sure that what I say is valuable and worth people's time. I'm obsessed with time, and even in my own life and business is like just guarding my time as much as possible and wanting everything to count, because time is like your only real limited resource. You can get more money, you can get more everything else, but time you can't get back. So same with the videos, you know, sometimes I ramble, but at least I hope it's entertaining if I'm rambling. But I just want everything I put out to be worth reading, worth watching, worth listening to. So that's something that I think about a lot. Anyways, let's get going to the meetup. Oh, we must be getting close to LA. Police helicopter. Everyone in the comments is always saying that I'm never driving. It's just because I make Jessica drive when I'm vlogging, so that I can vlog. So Jessica's always driving in the vlogs, but otherwise I'm usually driving, I would say.
You should get me a chauffeur hat. That'd be pretty badass, actually.
That'd be pretty funny. We here.
Going now.
Yo, what's up, buddy? How's it going?
Good to see you, man.
Hey, good to see you again.
Because I watched you guys' videos, and when I saw you guys post all the videos with the car meets,
Oh yeah, you like the car meets?
we're trying to get into this too, and
Yeah.
for you to be able to do this and still have a passion for cars, that's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to up my car game with this.
Alrighty guys, thanks for coming today. I'm John from Zonguru. This is our headquarters. We're based here in Los Angeles. And welcome to Amazon Seller Insights. And basically what we do every month is we bring in a speaker, someone who's crushing it on Amazon, the speaker, get insights on the business, gain his expertise, and just use it to fuel your own Amazon business. So that's what we do, and I'm really excited to have Matt Lobenstein, which most of you probably know, here today to talk about how to find a great product niche on Amazon, and then how do you take that niche and grow it into a $1 million Amazon brand. So yeah, Matt and I met probably about 3 or 4 months ago at a meetup, and I really connected with him because the way he thinks about creating a brand on Amazon and growing it is similar to the way that I've thought about it and learned and done it with my Amazon brands that I've got as well. I've been selling on Amazon for about 4 years now. I think let's start just to give people a little bit of background. Maybe start with your Amazon journey. Where did you start, and tell us a little bit about that journey of how you got to maybe your first success where you're like, oh damn, this thing is like, this is the shit, this is where I should be. So
Yeah.
can you give us a little bit of background?
Yeah, first off, thanks for having me. I've been in the crowd, so it's cool to be up here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Great meetup. So,
With Matt, maybe if there's any last thing that you would like to say to these guys, or anything that you want to end on?
yeah, I mean, I guess just circle back to that, like that core point of like, basically nobody even gets to the point of selling something on Amazon, so just do that. Like even if that means losing a few bucks, get to that point, I'll say that. I'll say follow me on YouTube if you haven't. And yeah, this was great, and thanks for having me, and thanks for coming out.
Awesome.
Like the current accepted keyword URL. The old like super URL is like, that's old news. If you see people saying super URL, that's like 4 years ago. But storefront URL is, it's still a light gray area because you're still on Amazon to get that data. Okay.
So I don't make the chairs, I'm just making the chair polish.
Okay.
I want to sell it to the customers who are buying the chairs. So not my customers who have to advertise.
Yeah, that would be amazing.
There's no way to do it. That's a secret giveaway. Even if it's not a competing product.
Yeah, you can't target, yeah, you wouldn't be able to target that because you don't have that customer data from who purchased the chair. That would be like, yeah, that would be I mean, there's an interesting thing there because people could be selling their data to other people and that'd be amazing because, but yeah, you wouldn't be able to get that data unless you sold the chair. Shopify, you don't have organic traffic like you do on Amazon. Like what's so amazing, like the whole reason this Amazon thing is so exciting is because Amazon already has like billions of eyeballs on it, right? Whereas with Shopify, the hardest thing about Shopify is you need to get people in the door, right? Whereas Amazon, like, there's already a billion,
every day,
right?
everywhere.
So now it's just a matter of getting in front of the people that are searching for the stuff that they're there. So Shopify is a great, I mean, Shopify is a great platform, but it's a different game because now you're playing a traffic game, not just let me get in front of, let me just get in front of like the people that are already there.
You have to generate the traffic, right?
Yeah, it's harder. To me, it's a harder game, but it's a good platform. I mean, I'm a fan of it in that regard. I just think that it's a harder game.
I had a question. I don't know if someone's already asked this, but you talk a lot about outside marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram, and driving it straight to Amazon.
Right.
So how are you building your audience? How are you getting that email list when you're driving them straight to Amazon when it says we give you that email?
Yeah, well, you're not in that case. You're right. So
what are you doing to gain that audience?
So sometimes I'll do it. So the Facebook offer ad, I'm not because you're not with that method. But you can do a similar thing with ClickFunnels, which I do that on some levels. You can do a similar type of thing. It's just going to be more complicated. That's why I say start with the Facebook ad. Okay. The way you can get the customer data is insert cards. To me, that's the number one. So have something compelling in your product that's going to get people to sign up.
Yep.
If you're trying to do it, are you trying to do it before a sale or after a sale?
No, like before. I'm saying if you're getting someone to buy your product, I want to gain their information. And obviously you're not getting your email from Amazon, you're not getting it through Facebook.
Yeah.
Although you are getting the information on Facebook on who that is, you're still not getting that email. You're still not building that list.
Right, no, but I'm getting all the retargeting traffic and I can, all the retargeting data, or I'm getting it through an insert card. But you're right, I don't do much of what you're referring to, which is collecting the email before the sale. Because the cold traffic funnel thing is difficult. So I focus on that within Amazon more. I use intense discounts to drive that on Amazon, and then I try to get data from sales that occurred on Amazon. But you're right, I mean, maybe it's not perfectly optimized in that way, but I think that it's win-win because it pushes the Amazon side.
Dude,
Hey,
Graham, what's up?
Wrong time.
I don't know what you said. I hope the microphone didn't catch it.
I don't know.
Francis.
Didn't catch it. Francis, if anything weird was said there, just make sure it's not in there.
Cut it out right before you came up. 10 seconds before that. Wait, maybe 30 seconds to be at this second. We need a bit of a buffer.
We'll be good. We'll be good.
Seconds.
Francis is great. He makes everything look beautiful.
Yeah, well, we're doing business talks here. Something that we don't want to.
B-roll.
Yeah, we don't want to escape out of this.
So click 1, and then it'll be beat. Hardest thing.
Alright.
Yeah, dude.
See ya.
We gotta kick it more often. Let me know
Yeah, we
anytime
really
you're in
do.
this area.
Yeah.
And,
Bye.
See ya.
Bye, guys.
Definitely.
Next car show.
All right, guys, that went really well. The full video will be posted at some point, so probably after the vlog comes out. Well, definitely after the vlog comes out. I'll be posting the full talk and Q&A on the channel as well, so stay tuned for that. Should be good. I think it went really well. And it was great meeting so many of you again, and just answering a bunch of questions and just connecting with some really awesome people. So it was great. That's really gonna do it for this one. I hope that there was some solid stuff that you really got value out of. And What else do I want to bring attention to as I wrap up? The Facebook group, we're at like 4,200 members. If you're not in there, link is in the description. Make sure you get in there. I'll also throw a plug to my Facebook page. I've been posting some sort of like, you know, thoughts and almost like articles on my Facebook page. Make sure you're following me there too. And as far as like, you can add me as a friend on Facebook, but make sure you're following the page because I don't post anything on my personal Facebook. So it's facebook.com/Matt Loberstein. If you send me a friend request too, I may or may not see it, but I don't even post anything there. So make sure you like and follow the business page. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. If you watched this far and you didn't subscribe, make sure you do that too. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Host speaking. Had to stop here. If you know, you know.